Hello beautiful person watching this video, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time stopping by, hello and a very warm welcome to you, and thank you so much for watching. On today's episode of Healthy with Bena, I'm going to be sharing with you how I make this delicious, easy, inexpensive pasta salad. It is so kids friendly and I love it to meal prep ahead of time and also pack it up for kids at lunch at school. The one thing I really like about this pasta is that it's not sticky like most other pasta dishes are, with tomatoes included in them, and you can always mix and match your vegetables as you like. As you know, we love vegetables, so we always load up on those, and I always like to put in some protein sauce like chicken breast. Turkey works as well, and shrimp like I did today. And guys, if you're interested, please stick around and I'll share the recipe in a moment. In a large saucepan, bring your water to boil, add in some salt. I also like to drizzle oil so that the pasta doesn't stick while boiling, and make sure you cook per the instructions on the package. Just make sure to cook your pasta until it is firm to the bite, and once that is done, transfer it into a strainer and run some cold water so that it can stop the cooking process, and then you can transfer the pasta back to a serving bowl ready to go for the salad. I'm going to be using shrimp for this salad, pasta salad. So I went ahead and washed my shrimp properly. I deveined it and I also patted it dry. Now onto this bowl, I sprinkled a little bit of salt, black pepper and some Italian seasoning just to lightly season the shrimp before we can proceed to cooking. To cook my shrimp, I have my skillet. It's here on high heat. And to that I added a little bit of olive oil, and I'm going to be cooking my shrimp for 3 to 4 minutes on each side, and I'll flip it over and repeat the process. And once that's done, I'll transfer my shrimp into a bowl and set it aside to cool completely before I proceed to add it to the salad. Just make sure to not overcook your shrimp, because when you do, it becomes rubbery. Our pasta is all good to go. As you can see, it cooled down completely. And for the rest of the ingredients, I'm going to be using the shrimp, of course. This is going to be a source of protein. I have here some corn, carrots, and peas. I'm also going to be adding some extra crunch to the salad, so I have some yellow and red bell peppers. And for our dressing, I have over here some dried herbs. So I have some dried oregano and basil. I have some salt and black pepper. I have some garlic, fresh minced. I have some chopped parsley, fresh. And I have some finely grated Parmesan cheese. I'm also going to need some olive oil, some honey for a little bit of sweetness, and I'm going to be using some red wine vinegar. You can also use white wine vinegar. And guys, this salad is pretty versatile. Like, you can basically use any veggies that you like or your family loves. Sometimes I'll add cucumbers to it, sometimes like just whatever vegetables you like. So to start, I usually use this jar to just whip up my creams for all my salads. So I'm going to start by going in with equal parts of the red wine vinegar and the extra virgin olive oil. So I'll have that headed in there. I'll also add my olive oil. There as well. Next, I'll go in with the dried herbs. So I have the oregano and the basil. I'll have it in there. I'll go in with the salt and the black pepper. Now we are going to taste and make sure that our salt and black pepper, they actually taste. Next, I'll go in with the garlic. I'll go in with the parsley. The Parmesan cheese, This cheese just makes the dressing taste extra nice. And finally, I'll go in with some honey for some sweetness. I add about 1 tablespoon of honey in there. And I just cover this up. And I shake. You want to shake properly so everything can blend. Make sure, guys, to taste for the salt and your pepper. I'm just going to go a little bit with a spoon and just taste. Okay, everything tastes so good. So the next step, I'm just gonna go ahead and add all the veggies to the pasta. So I'll go in with the orange bell peppers. Next, I'll go with the red bell peppers. Ooh, looks beautiful. And then I'll go in with the corn, the carrots, and the peas. I'll pour some of the dressing in there, generous amount. I'm going to mix this properly before I can add in the shrimp. Finally, I'll go in with the shrimp, guys. I'll just mix a little bit. And also make sure that at this point you adjust your salt and pepper to taste. So our shrimp had a little bit of salt and some seasoning on there. So I put some Italian seasoning, some salt and pepper on our shrimp. So the reason why I want to mix the pasta with the dressing properly is because our shrimp is slightly spiced. So I added the shrimp last and I just mix it a little bit and everything is good. As you can see, it looks all beautiful. Look at that, guys. Gorgeous, gorgeous, healthy, and so easy to make and so inexpensive to make. And I love this one for school for kids. So guys, our pasta salad is all ready to be served. As you can see, it's looking all yummy, delicious. The shrimp just makes it look so gourmet. And guys, you want to try this recipe out, let me know in the comment section if you've ever tried it. And when you do, make sure to use that dressing, because the dressing just takes the flavor to another level, guys. I cannot wait to just devour this right now. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, big thumbs up. Also, do not forget to subscribe to this channel so you can join the Healthy with Benna family. Guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? You want to join the Healthy with Benna train? Thank you so much, and please do not forget to hit that notification bell so every time I upload a new video, you'll be the first person to be notified. Until I see you in my next video, please continue to drink lots of water, stay hydrated. Be safe, be well. Bye.